Rain cats and dogs. Rain heavily. It was raining cats and dogs, so we stayed inside. A couch potato. A person who watches a lot of television and does not have an active life. He's such a couch potato, watching TV all day. On cloud nine. Very happy. He's been on cloud nine since getting the promotion. Save for a rainy day. Save money for unexpected situations. They kept some money aside to save for a rainy day. Burn the candle at both ends. Overwork yourself by doing too much. Don't burn the candle at both ends, or you'll exhaust yourself. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't stress over something that's already happened. They told her not to cry over spilled milk after she lost the match. Pay through the nose. Pay too much for something. If you want to buy a last-minute ticket for the concert, you'll have to pay through the nose. Throw money down the drain. Waste money. Buying that cheap product is like throwing money down the drain. Butterflies in your stomach. Feeling nervous. He had butterflies in his stomach before the job interview. Full of beans. Very energetic. The kids were full of beans after the party. Go bananas. Go crazy or wild. The crowd went bananas when the band started playing. Under your nose. Clearly visible but not noticed. The keys were right under my nose the whole time. Over the moon. Extremely happy. Winning the championship left her over the moon. Wear your heart on your sleeve. Show your emotions openly. She always wears her heart on her sleeve, and you can tell when she's upset. Feeling blue. Feeling sad. He's been feeling blue since his dog passed away. Hot under the collar. Angry or upset. She got hot under the collar when her idea was rejected. As cool as a cucumber. Very calm. Despite the chaos, she stayed as cool as a cucumber. The black sheep. The odd one out in a family or group. He's considered the black sheep of the family because he chose a different career path. A big fish in a small pond. Someone important in a small area. He's a big fish in a small pond in his hometown. The early bird catches the worm. Success comes to those who prepare. I always wake up early because the early bird catches the worm. Pull someone's leg. Joke or tease someone. I'm just pulling your leg, I didn't win the lottery. Hit the jackpot. Have great success or luck. She hit the jackpot with her new business idea. Make ends meet. To manage with limited income. After losing his job, he struggled to make ends meet. Break a leg. Good luck. I know you'll do great, break a leg. A blessing in disguise. Something good that seemed bad at first. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise because I found a better one. Call it a day. To stop working for the day. Let's call it a day and go home. Catch someone off guard. To surprise someone. His question caught me off guard, and I didn't know what to say. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every bad situation has a positive aspect. Losing the race was tough, but every cloud has a silver lining. I learned a lot. Get your foot in the door. Start a small role with the potential for bigger opportunities. This internship will help you get your foot in the door in the industry. Go the extra mile. To make more effort than is expected of you. She's willing to go the extra mile to achieve her goals. Hit the ground running. Start a task or project energetically. The new employee hit the ground running on his first day. Learn the ropes. Learn the basics of something. It took me a week to learn the ropes at my new job. Think outside the box. Think creatively or differently. To solve this problem, we need to think outside the box. Wear many hats. Have many roles or responsibilities. She wears many hats as a manager, teacher, and parent. Actions speak louder than words. What you do matters more than what you say. He promised to help, but actions speak louder than words. The ball is in your court. It's your decision or responsibility. I've done my part, now the ball is in your court. Walk a mile in someone's shoes. Understand someone else's perspective. Before judging, try to walk a mile in their shoes. A penny for your thoughts. Said, when you want to know what another person is thinking, usually because they have been quiet for a while. When he looked distracted, she said, a penny for your thoughts? Down to earth. Practical or realistic. She's very successful but remains down to earth. Easy come, easy go. Something gained or lost easily. I spent my bonus quickly, easy come, easy go. On a shoestring budget. With limited funds. We traveled Europe on a shoestring budget. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Encourages healthy habits. My grandma always said, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Burned out. Exhausted from overwork. After the long project, he was completely burned out. Fit as a fiddle. In good health. After recovering, she felt fit as a fiddle. A bitter pill to swallow. Something difficult to accept. Losing the championship was a bitter pill to swallow. Keep your chin up. Stay positive. Don't be discouraged, keep your chin up. Laughter is the best medicine. Humor is good for you. After a tough week, a good laugh reminded us that laughter is the best medicine. Pull yourself together. Calm down and focus. Stop crying and pull yourself together. Take it easy. Relax. You've been working hard, take it easy this weekend. A stitch in time saves 9. Fix a small problem before it gets bigger. Fix that leak now, a stitch in time saves 9. If you find this video useful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Many thanks.